Okay, this is one shot, but okay, one shot. You freaking you screwed up my demonstration. Okay, this is one shot. Oh my goodness. Okay, I need to play as mean and as dirty and as I could possibly be. I gotta get bleeds. Bleeds would make this the most overpowered build I could possibly do this. Oh crap! I'll have my health gone. Eh. Oh well. Gambling time. Great! Why didn't I not summon the boss? I very clearly summoned the boss. Alright, let's see how... Ruby, put a timer on screen. How long was that, Ruby? Not bad if I don't say so myself. Wait, let me try. Cause it ain't no lie, baby, bye. Kinda worked. I'm not satisfied with that, though. Cause it ain't no lie, baby, bye. Good enough. Oh, my favorite stage. You know what? You know what? I just realized something. What's the point of being able to be fast when everything just dies when you walk? But I still need mobility, so that's still a thing. I need to have 4 red items on this run. That's gonna be the name of the video. I got 4 red items in Fortnite Battle Royale Simulator 2021. Ooh. 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 Knife! Oh no, why did it... Oh. You guys are brass contraptions, right? There goes a quarter of his health already. That was such a good fight, I mean seriously. That was like... That fight lasted like a good like 2 seconds. The Imp Overlord I think lasted longer than the other dude. Right, Ruby? You think you can hide from me? That is a huge grandparent! Who's hurting me? Help! Who's hurting me? I started bleeding for some reason. Help me, please. That wasn't even fair. He didn't even get a chance to see anything, man. He just died. Hey, look, it's me! You can see me! Alright, gamer mode activate! Ooh! Ooh, yeah, baby. Oh no, this is gonna be a disaster. Are you serious?